Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Super Geek and today I'm going to tell you how you can install the Free Fire game on your laptop. Ever since the PUBG Mobile got banned in India, the players are finding new ways to install it and play it on their phone. Some are using the Korean version from TapTap, while some are using VPN to play the game. We even got some news that the game is coming back in India with some new twist or something, but it never happened. Our players lost all the hope. And guess what they did? They started playing Free Fire, which is also a battle royale game, and to be very honest, I personally don't like the game that much, but the interesting part is that Free Fire is one of the first games which brought battle royale FPS to Android smartphones, and it's way before PUBG Mobile. So today I'm going to tell you how to install it on your laptop and play it just like you do with PUBG Mobile. Now, to be very honest, it's very easy and simple process. Like, you only have to install BlueStacks on your laptop and then download and play the game on it. Now, some of you might be thinking that this video is pointless, but I'm still going to explain the process for all our tech layman friends who does not know anything about BlueStacks or Android emulators. Now, the important part is the system requirements. So if you own a laptop with one of the latest 10th or 11th generation processors with 8 gigs of RAM, then you are set. The game will run perfect on your laptop. And if you happen to own a gaming laptop with like a dedicated GPU, then it's like icing on the cake. Now, coming to the installation process, first all you need to do is download and install BlueStacks application on your laptop. Just open the browser, navigate to bluestacks.com and download the BlueStacks 4. The link is in the description below. I'm installing the BlueStacks 5 just to demonstrate the process. I will not recommend you to install the beta version because it may contain some bugs and you don't want the game to crash at a point where you are close to win a game, right? So download and install the BlueStacks 4. Once you start the installation, the app will start to download the required files, and once the installation is done, it will automatically launch BlueStacks application. Now, once it's completely loaded, you will see the home screen with Google Play Store on it. Now, the process is pretty simple from here. All you need to do is launch Google Play Store, log in using your Google account, and once it's done, search for Free Fire on Play Store and install it. Once installed, just run the game. You can use your existing account to log into Free Fire. I'm using guest account. Now, once you're in the game, the BlueStacks will automatically switch to the gaming mode and you can use your mouse and keyboard to play the game. You can also configure the gaming controls using this button right here. So there you have it guys, now you can play Free Fire game on your laptop using mouse and keyboard. So that's it for now guys, hope you liked the video, hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.